Do you want to learn how to add sounds to your Discord server SoundBoard? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. First, head over to your Discord app, or on your web browser, open up Discord. And I've got this server here. I'm going to go inside it. This is my server, and I'm going to click on this, join this voice channel to connect to it. And then inside it, I'm going to find these options. This fourth one is Open SoundBoard. I can click on it to get this soundboard pop up. And these are all the Discord sounds. Take a listen to it. Now maybe I want to add custom sounds to my Discord server. I can add it by clicking on this button, or I can also click on this on the top, go to server settings, and then over on the left hand side, I can go to SoundBoard, and on the right hand side, I can upload the sound from here. So I need to choose the file, sound name, and the related emoji. So where to find these files? You can go over to myinstance.com, and on here, you're going to find a lot of these sounds. They've got a huge library of these sounds here, and you also got the categories. Let's say we want to add one of these. For example, I want to add this.
Oh my God!
Now I can go inside it by clicking on this button. And inside this, I'm going to find a download MP3 option. You can also share it, add to your soundboard, which is going to add it on myinsta.com. You can also install the My Instant app. I'm not sure what this does, but if you want, you can do it. What we are going to do is download the MP3 file from here, which is going to download this file to our computer. This file, and I'll go back to Discord. Let's select a name for it. I'm just going to make it the same that was on the website, like this. Related emoji, I'm just going to select one of them like this one. And for the file, going to browse it and select the one that we just downloaded off from myinstance.com. So going to paste it here, and this is the file. We're not able to upload it right now because it's in the orange color. We need it in green color. So it needs to be decreased in seconds like this. Now I think that you can upload a file with a higher duration if you go for the Discord Nitro. But I'm not completely sure for that, but you just need to crop this sound till here. It's less than 5 seconds, and now it's in green, and I can upload it. So I'm going to click on it to upload the sound to my server. And it says here that you have 7 slots out of 8 available. You've got the name, the emoji, and uploaded by. You can play it here.
Oh my God!
Let's click on escape. And if I go over here, I can go to my soundboard, click on it, and I'm going to find that my own custom sound that I've added to my Discord server, it's here. And I can play it.
Oh my God!
And anyone who comes to my channel and joins my voice chat, they can also open up the soundboard and play it because it's the server soundboard. So they can play it as well.
Oh my God!
And that's it. This is how to add sounds to your Discord server soundboard. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.